wanted to say. I saw 10bet is doing that by endorsing our players.
Yes.
So I'm saying this bunch of players, they are champions. Now, corporate companies and all those sponsors, please go invest into them. Let them be into Billboard. Let them represent your brand, same as other sporting code what they are doing, because our players, in terms of endorsement, is very low, and they can't survive only by salaries. Meanwhile, they are displaying such kind of level of commitment. So I'm saying to other sponsors, please absorb Orile. Please absorb Patrick Maswanganyi. Please absorb our players so that they can be saying that during our prime time, as a footballer, I was able to represent this particular brand and this particular brand and this particular brand, but because it's something that is not there. So